Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So have you ever wanted to get an extension cable that is longer because the wall socket is very far from where you want to use your sockets? Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own extension cable that is as long as you want it to be, and then you can avoid paying over the top for extension cables that have very short cables and they don't serve the purpose that you want them to be. What's more, you can custom make them so that if you just need one port or two ports, or if you need 4 ports, then you can buy 2 of these. And the most important part is that you can use as long a cable as you need. Stay tuned as I demonstrate how we are going to make a personalized, effective extension cable. We start by connecting our twin socket. You can see it comes with a manual that you can read through and just know where you need to connect and your screws. And most importantly, deep Pattress that helps in covering the wires that we will connect underneath, and also that provides you with a safe option. We have pathways where the cable is going to enter through, and since I'm not going to use all that space, we're just going to drill a hole according to the thickness of the cable that we have. Put your cable through the hole, and then after you've done that, you now have to measure the extent at which the cable will go, the length. Okay, so once you've done that, then we are now going to start connecting the wires, and we're going to start by live. Remember, live is always brown or red, neutral is blue, black, and earth wire is yellow or sometimes green. So let's start with live wire. I don't know if you can see, but there is an L around there, so that means live. So the brown goes there. There is an N there, so neutral, the blue goes there, and there is the earth sign, the earthing sign right there, so the yellow goes there. So start by exposing part of the live wire, like so. Remember also to always twist your wire. This increases the strength and also keeps the wires together. Then the next step is to bend them, bend the wire. This time we can bend it once. Then you press it with the pliers like that. Also we can bend it the second time so that you have a considerable amount of wire being held inside. Then next step is you unscrew that nut there, so that you have enough space inside there. Then you're going to slot that in. Then after that, just tighten it. Making sure it's tight enough and the wire doesn't come off. And also make sure also that the wire doesn't spill over to this sheet of metal. Otherwise you'd be exposing someone to risk, because this is the earth. You're going to use the enclosed screws to close this up. The final step now is to connect your top plug. This type of top plug, Elite Elegance, comes with a small diagram to show you how you are going to connect, but I'm going to be explaining all that. So open it up at the center, like so. Okay, so this great item is the one that will trap your cable so that it doesn't come off. Okay, and then inside we are going to connect your live wire here. The live wire goes through the fuse, so that if there is an overcurrent, then the fuse will go off, will burn, saving your gadgets that you've connected. Then the earth wire goes here and the neutral goes there. Okay, so just like in the other one, you start by measuring. So the farthest wire that we are going to be connecting will be the earth wire, and the shortest one will be the neutral. So this helps you determining the where to cut. Okay, so we're going to cut it right around there. So just take your side cutter and mark it like so, and then expose your wires. Like that. Then the next step is twist the wire, just like we did in the first demonstration, and bend it into two. Okay, that you have a good sizable piece to put in. Then you unscrew, then we're going to put this through. Remember always to tighten that part. Then finally we can replace our screw. Okay, what remains now is to finally test whether our extension cable is working. So just connect it and put it on and wait and see whether it lights up. As you can see, that part of the extension works. Then we have to test it on this other end and press on, and it works. Thank you so much guys for watching. My hope is that you learned how you can create your own extension cable safely, and you can create something that will serve you for so many years to come. It's something that is quality and it's safe. And remember to check the description down below the video to see where you can get this type of items and what type of items to get from an electrical shop. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing and tell a friend. And I really appreciate you tuning in to this video today, and I appreciate it so much, and also your comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.